Hello, my children. Welcome back to another video. Don't mind my wallpaper. Today I am gonna be teaching you guys how to set up a ringtone for your iPad or any iPhone that you have. I don't know. If you don't know how to set your own ringtone, then here you go. As you can tell, I don't have any Wi-Fi at the moment. Yeah, but what you don't need Audio Mac for that. Well, if you want to, you can use Audio Mac and record it, but But what you need is files, my MP3, and GarageBand. What you're gonna do is go into my MP3 and add a song. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we go into the gallery and we pick whatever video we want. Like I'm using this. Okay. So let's use it. And we have this now. Frick, I'm kind of forgetting. Okay, what you gotta do is take this. Let's plain. Shut up. Okay, there we go. Open with and save the files. Now let's put it in. Like you can make your own or put in whatever you want. Right now I'm putting it in ringtones. So go into your files and you have this now. Okay? So press on this, hold on to it, and now exit out of the thing. Now you go to GarageBand and you get a new thing. Press audio recorder. Press that button, and then add it. And then you should have this. But if you have the ticking in the back, just remove that. If you're wondering about what this is, it's a TikTok. Okay, so you have that, and so you save it. Now hold on to it and press share. And you have these. Put it into ringtone. So as you can see, there are other ringtones. So you name this whatever you want, naming it meme. And then you press export. I'm not sure if it's gonna work well. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. So press use as, and you can press it as whatever you want. You can put it into your ringtone, your text tone, or your assigned contacts or whatever. After you pressed whatever you wanted, you press done, and there you go. And you can test it out after you get it done with by telling one of your friends to call you or family member or something. And if it makes the sound that you were trying to put in, congratulations, you did it. But if it didn't work, then congratulations, you kind of failed and probably messed up on one of the tutorial parts. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.